Welcome. In this airdrop video, Pentagon Airdrop. They already raised 6 million if you noticed here. Okay, inside of the Twitter, they tweet about this. We are excited to announce that Pentagon Games has secured $6 million in seed. So it is just rising, okay? It is their funding, it is not, you know, it is not frozen, it is rising, okay? It is exponentially rising if their real world project is be good, okay? Lot of angel investor, venture investor will be invest inside of this Pentagon games. We are not talking about this type of stuff here. We will talk about how to join in this airdrop, okay? So first, if you want to check out them, you can come into the Telegram channel. Inside of this previous description box has our Telegram channel, Ranga Finance. You can walk through that link inside of here that I am in. So just search by Pentagon Airdrop, or you will get a link in the description box. Anyhow, here is rule step by step I showed you. If you noticed here, go here, register with email, connect MetaMask, click airdrop, and complete task claim hero base. Bam, your joining system, slightly easy here, step process, and couple of you know couple of effort you need in here, okay? Making money need effort, therefore you need to do this stuff, okay, in here. So click on that and that link will bring you in here, okay? Here is you need to uh, register with Gmail, okay? So I'm going to put my name in here, or you can click on this MetaMask, and if you don't wanna register with your email, you can click on MetaMask immediately. That will be which one like easier for you do that. But Web3 is best instead of Web2, because email icon I see Web2, and Web3 is latest version of our world, and here is we can do by that, okay? MetaMask, our Web3 identity, okay? MetaMask address. So anyhow, so here is MetaMask again, like gone for version. Now let me see how much time it takes to get done, okay? So here is it's don't working, I don't know, okay? It's worked. So submit if I do. Oh yes, it's necessary to have Gmail need to put, okay? Here is I'm putting my my email, my username in here, and here is I'm putting, okay? So here is my I'm putting the email that I have, okay? Here is I'm putting the sorry, it's got mistyping. I'm going to put 8 in here because it is my email, and here is I'm putting password, security purpose I'm doing. Now I can tap on the submit button. Yep, it is worked, okay? Same way you can do it, okay? Because just copy me, end of the day you will be done in doing this stuff, okay? So it is loading. If you noticed in here, I'm showing you here, it is loading pretty much, okay? It's done, logged in. Now here we click on this airdrop option. If you noticed in here, so click this airdrop option immediately. That will bring you maybe new page, okay? So do you dare to take the challenge? Complete task and unlock the hero badge to receive penny airdrop. So this is a penny airdrop. The token is going to be pen, okay? It is awesome. It is kind of like like organization or crypto organization are like taking those names, so interesting. Pen, dogs. So climb the badge now. Click on this in here. So maybe MetaMask will get notified, but here welcome hero badge, new friend badge. I'm going begin your, if you, yeah, okay, I'm going to read this one, okay? So welcome hero badge, begin your bull adventure here, complete the initial onboarding task to earn your welcome bull badge. This unlocks the opportunity to obtain more badge and be the first to receive pen tokens. So if I do click on this go button in here, let me see where this link is bringing to me. So here is simple task. I sign up to the Pentagon games. So click on the sign up and put your email in here, this email that in here. So select all, copy and put in here. Okay, very simple. So click on here, MetaMask all the time, because it is our web3 identity. It is not like at the rate beta 69619. It is our wallet, our identity, this address. Okay, this address our identity. Okay, in here web3 world. So anyhow, it is loading slightly if you noticed in here, and couple of seconds it will take in order to get it done. And I'm hoping your internet is faster than me, better than me. You will get done it so far faster than me, quicker than me. So slightly will take it time, and yeah, it is almost done. User email already exists. Okay, so now I can go back by clicking on here, sign up Pentagon games. Okay, join Discord. Click on the join Discord, sign in, enter meta ID. So I never before participate in this airdrop. Okay, therefore I'm so strange in here. Okay, you need to validate your email address to log in. Click the button below to send a new validation email. Send validation email. I don't know what the heck is happening in here. So if I do click on this sign in, first let me see. Okay, I'm going to click on this sign in button in here. Sign in. Okay, login with MetaMask. So guys, I never before did participate in this airdrop, therefore I don't know where to right thing to do, tapping right thing to do. So therefore it's happening. So I'm clicking on this airdrop section and claim the pair now. Go, and here is I'm first going to connect MetaMask. So sign in first. Okay, so let me up enter, send validation email. Okay, email sent. If we click on there in now, send validation email. Okay, email is sent. Now I am going to go my email box in here, and I'm going to, okay, it will take a little bit time in here. So it is here, this type of validate email will come in your email box. Just click on this validate email, and which browser you are using since first you going. Okay, I'm using this on, and I walk through the browser, and here is it will be locked in. Thank you for validating your email. Now we can text it mode, text doing this move, and click on the sign in now. Okay, now click this enter button. It will be immediately locked in your profile. It will be pop up in here. So connect your Discord in here, connect Twitter, connect Telegram, connect whatever they say. Okay, so I'm going to connect my Discord in first in here. Very simple, just tap on there and it will bring you the authentication page where definitely they will say, oh, authorize us. I wanna connect your we wanna connect your Twitter with our website, and we wanna verify you that either you are done your Discord task properly or not. This type of stuff they wanna know. Therefore, they 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 want to authorize you. They want to connect with you, your Discord with their website. So now Twitter, we are done. So here is a little bit problem doing Twitter because I'm using now Yandex browser. in here. So if I click on it is in here, open new tab. So now let me see what happened. I'm going to the new tab. So it is still doing problem. Okay, so cannot establish a connection with site. Twitter.com server IP address could not be found. Anyhow, I don't wanna waste your time in here. I'm just showing you how do you do it. Maybe your Twitter would be work. Okay, so now the next one, Telegram. Okay, so I already connected. Okay, do cancel or click on this tab option. Okay, so I'm going to back in the backend page where has task. Okay, in here, so it is already done. So click on this airdrop section, claim the badge on there, claim the badge. Okay, so claim the badge again, click on there. Maybe it's doing problem, my network problem. Okay, I'm the port side of my I would say in internet area where internet is so bad, so rather than in other area. So never be freak out about this stuff. Just you know just see how I do. I just demonstrate you, because end of the day I need to do airdrop every day. And if I do by recording this stuff and I show you, it makes me happy. Okay, so I do completed it, this stuff. Now click the connect to Twitter. Okay, so Twitter is not working. We are see can we can back again. I just tried, just I'm trying to connect Twitter with. Okay, it's doing problem still. You can use another browser. Okay, so click on this airdrop again, climb badge, and click on the go button. It's doing a problem again. So you know how many tasks I'm able to do, I just show you those tasks. Okay, so if I click on this connect Twitter, so let me see how it is happened. So here is I'm going to do by beta 6 or 9, this one, and open it up, and it will go you in here. So click the join button, bam, and now you can go in here. So we follow connect Twitter. You need to connect Twitter into Telegram handle. Here my Telegram handle like this, beta 619, bam. So now save change, completed task. Now I can go the airdrop section. In here, go, and the new page is in here. Just accept Twitter. We did all sort of thing. Now mission, click on there, climb the badge, go. Okay, it is unlocked, it is locked. Okay, the second number one. So this task is slightly done. Now go to the mission. In mission, couple of thing you are seeing. I'm just trying to hover over with this site. Basically, sponsors Bybit, Google Cloud, early supporters Binance. If you noticed, I never before see this stuff. Binance is support them. It sponsors Bybit, big exchanger. Okay, anyhow, pen is going to be bigger. Okay, end of the day. So mission, now same page, airdrop, as the airdrop we did in airdrop section. So yeah, this is the work, and yeah, that's it. Okay, let me see, let me back in our Twitter, sorry, Telegram, what the post said. Connect MetaMask, click airdrop, complete task claim, hero badges, complete task claim, hero badges. Yeah, we've done this stuff. So I'm again saying, please check out description box for joining in this Telegram channel. Okay.